Hello and welcome to i-nastava. This is an English lesson for the 4th grade of high school. Our topic today is Can you tell the difference? My name is Livija Pribanić and I will be your teacher in our lesson today. Your final task in our lesson today will be to write a report. Before that, we will do various activities which will help you accomplish your final task more successfully. Before we start, please prepare your notebook and writing utensil. Also, don't forget that you can pause the video lesson at any point. Are you ready? Let's get started. The area of careers and business is highly important in our lives, and the necessity to give it critical thought is enormous. This lesson is about comparing and contrasting. We will start with simple tasks and gradually move on to more complex ones. Here is a simple question. Who is who? Who is an employer and who is an employee? Please pause the lesson now and write down your ideas. An employer can be a person or a company or an organization. An employer employs people to work for them and or pay people to work for them. An employee is a person who is employed by somebody, a person who is paid to work for somebody. Our next point of interest, linguistic interest, is employment. Can you name the opposites of these terms? Full-time, blue-collar, regular or permanent, high, and skilled. Now, pause the lesson, please, and copy these terms into your notebook. Are you ready? Try to match the pairs. Low, casual or seasonal, part-time, unskilled, and white collar. Good luck! I hope your list is the same. Here are the pairs. Full-time, part-time, blue collar, white collar, regular or permanent, casual or seasonal, high and low, skilled and unskilled. Well done! And now a bit more complex task. What is the difference between a job, a career, and work? Please pause the video now and write down your ideas and thoughts. Now watch a short video and compare your ideas to the ideas in the video. So a job is not the same as a career, and a career and a job are not the same as work. Watch carefully and compare. Just to make sure you know the difference between a job and a career, here is a sorting activity. Please copy the bit.ly link into your browser and do the quiz. Group the words into correct category. Good luck with this one. Now that we are aware of the differences between a job and a career, let's take a step further. Let's suppose it is in the best interest of every employer to have a satisfied workforce or satisfied employees. They could achieve that by motivating employees, right? And motivated employees would then consequently feel emotionally attached to the employer, according to the survey. Now, the survey is part of Gallup's State of the Global Workplace report. The report was printed in 2017. According to the report, employees can be grouped into 3 categories: engaged, not engaged, and actively disengaged. We will focus on Western Europe now, and here are the numbers: 10%, 19%, 71%. Now try to guess and match the percentage to the category. So how many employees are engaged, not engaged, or actively disengaged in Western Europe? Pause the video now and match the pairs. And here are the results. Only 10% of employees are engaged at work. According to the report, engaged employees are highly involved and enthusiastic about their work and workplace. They are psychological owners, drive performance and innovation, and they move the organization forward. Astonishingly, 71% of employees in Western Europe are not engaged to work. Not engaged are employees who are physically unattached to their work and company because their engagement needs are not being fully met. They are putting time but not energy or passion into their work. And finally, 19% of employees are actively disengaged at work. Disengaged employees aren't just unhappy at work. They are resentful that their needs aren't being met and are acting out their unhappiness. Every day, these workers potentially undermine what their engaged co-workers accomplish. Now, why are these findings startling? Western Europe is among the world's most economically developed regions, so one would expect to see different results, right? How do you feel about this? What is your comment? You may pause the video now and write your comment in your notebook. And now try to guess the numbers for Eastern Europe. Pause the video and write down 3 numbers, 1 for each category. And here are the results for Eastern Europe. 50% engaged, 34% actively disengaged, and 51% not engaged. Are you surprised? Please copy these numbers into your notebooks. You can also add comment to these numbers. Here is another important fact from the survey. 24%, now this is huge percentage, but 24% of Eastern European residents would like to move permanently to another country, given the opportunity. Why do you think this happens? Why do you think Eastern European residents want to change the country they live in? Please pause the video and write down your ideas. Also, think about the term we use to refer to this social phenomenon. When professionals move to another country in search of better professional opportunities, what is the term for it? You are ready now for your next activity. You will watch a video. Here is the bit.ly link that will take you to the short video on YouTube. While watching the video, please answer these two questions. What is brain drain and which countries are mentioned in the video? I hope you got many useful pieces of information from the video and that now you can draw a mind map about brain drain. Here is just an example. Your mind map can be completely different. Here is also the bit.ly link for the video in case you would like to watch it again. Let us take a closer look at the situation in Croatia. This is labor force survey results by Croatian Bureau of Statistics for 2018. This table here shows unemployment rate, unemployed persons as share of total active population. Please look at the table carefully and try to compare the situation in Croatia to the situation in the neighboring countries. How do you feel about the results? Are you surprised? A bit more numbers. This table here shows lifelong learning, adult participation in education and training for the population aged 25 to 64. Now again, please find the results for Croatia and compare the results to the results of the neighboring countries. The question is again the same. Are you surprised? And why? You need the tables for your final task. You will compare and contrast at least 5 countries. Croatia needs to be one of them. You will compare and contrast the percentage, and you will also provide ideas to improve the situation. Here is the outline for your report. In the introduction, you will clearly state the content and objective of your report. What follows are body paragraphs, one for comparison and one for differentiation. And your final paragraph is conclusion. This is where you will write your summary and provide your opinion. Don't forget, you need to have 4 paragraphs in your report. Before you hand it in to your teacher, don't forget to check grammar and spelling. Good luck! And finally, I would like you to think about the entire topic of jobs and careers. Please write down in your notebook 3 I can statements. What can you do now after this topic, after several lessons? Can you write a CV? Can you write an application form? Can you write a cover letter? Also add 2 more sentences starting with I'm unsure about. And finally, add one in which you believe you need more practice. Thank you for being with us in this lesson. Until the next time, bye!